Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're making something truly French and very charming. Buttery soft madeleines. Let's get started. I'm whisking together eggs and sugar until light and fluffy. You can use a mixer for this step, but today I'm going the traditional way, just a whisk. Now I'm adding a spoonful of honey. It gives the madeleines a softer texture and helps them stay fresh a little longer. Next comes melted butter, nice and warm, with just a splash of lemon juice for brightness. And look at the silky consistency. Time for the flour mix with baking powder. I switched from whisk to spatula here. This helps keep the batter airy while breaking up some of those bigger bubbles. Then I cover it, leave it on the counter for an hour and a half, and finish with another half hour in the fridge. While we wait, I make a quick glaze with lemon juice and icing sugar. This takes only seconds, then it's set aside. And since we have 2 hours to go, I make myself a coffee and enjoy a break. The batter will be worth the wait. Two hours passed and back to business. I generously butter the Madeleine molds. The batter is now thick and silky from refrigeration. Piping is the easiest way to fill the molds, about 85% full, so they puff beautifully in the oven. Into the oven they go, 370 degrees Fahrenheit for about 9 to 10 minutes, and look at that rise. I pulled the first batch out right away. They come out fine, but notice the texture isn't perfect. That's because I didn't let them cool for 5 to 7 minutes. So let's see the difference. The chilled ones come out smooth and shiny, just the way we want them. They're delicious as they are, but we'll add our lemon glaze. You can glaze the top, the belly, or even both sides, totally optional. But it adds a fresh lemony kick and keeps them soft longer. I love presenting this in a little box, perfect as a gift. And just look when I break one open, so soft, so light, melt in your mouth. And that's it, classic French Madeleines with a touch of lemon. Simple, elegant, and unforgettable.